Hi everyone, welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Welcome to today's session. Dear children, in last session we have learned the story of Supermom, unbeatable Supermom, that is Mary Kom. And in today's session I have brought you some of the workshop questions from this lesson. So let's begin with today's lesson. The question answers of unbeatable Supermom, Mary Kom. Here comes the first activity. Choose the correct alternative. So we have been provided with some questions with their alternatives. We will read first of all the sentences, and then we will find out the correct alternative from the given words. So first, what kind of text is it? What kind of text is it? A story, a speech, an interview, and essay. So these are the options, and we have to find out the correct from these four. Here comes the next. Which state does Mary Kom belong to? Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or Manipur? By the time I read all the questions, you decide the answer and then check with mine. C1. Who inspired Mary Kom and other youngsters in Manipur to choose boxing as a career? We have seen that. Dinko Singh, Charles Atkinson, Mangneti Tonpa or Adams. Then comes the next, D1. What did Mary Kom prefer being called? Here comes the options. Supermom, superboxer, superwoman, or super being. Okay. So these are four questions. Now we will underline the correct one. So what kind of text is it? It's an interview. Which state does Mary Kom belongs to? From Manipur. Who inspired Mary Kom and other youngsters in Manipur to choose boxing as a career? Dinko Singh. What did Mary Kom prefer being called? Supermom. Right? So these are the correct alternatives for all these questions. Now we will move to the next question. Here comes the next question. Go through the text again and find out the name of cities and their importance in Mary Kom's life. See, we have read the story and interview followed with it of Mary Kom, right? So in her interview, she has mentioned some of the name of cities or countries. So here we will find out what exactly role of those places in her life. So first one is given to you. Kangeti, that is Mary Kom's birthplace. We will find out some more. United States, why it is? Because her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. So this is very remarkable. In debut competition, she came with a silver medal in our country. So this is very important place in her life. पहिल्याच पदार्पण आपण म्हणतो त्याच्यामध्ये US मध्ये जी स्पर्धा झाली AIB विमेन्स वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चॅम्पियनशिप त्याच्यात तिने सुरुवातीच्याच म्हणजे पदार्पणाच्या पहिल्याच इंटरनॅशनल लेवलच्या मॅच मध्ये सिल्वर मेडल मिळवलं. This is very remarkable. Then comes the next country, London. There she won bronze medal in Olympics. We have seen that 2012 Olympics. To the next question now. You will find some short forms in the text. Go to library or search the internet to find their full forms. Discuss with your partner. One is given for you. हा प्रश्न काय आहे? आपण या इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये काही शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स वाचले, राईट? आत्ताच आपण एक AIBA बघितला. तर असे काही शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स आहेत. तर आपण लायब्ररीतून आयदर फ्रॉम लायब्ररी और फ्रॉम इंटरनेट you find out their full forms. So first one is given to you, OGQ. It stands for Olympic Gold Quest, right? Now we will go for the short forms which is given in the text or this question. IBN, MTV, YPA, AIBA, CNN. Now see, these are the short forms and we have to find out its long form. So let's do that. IBN is Indian Broadcasting Network. MTV तुम्ही ऐकलेला आहे. You know this word, music television. YPA, it stands for different things, but here we go for Young Players Association. AIBA, we have already learned this, Amateur International Boxing Association. And CNN stands for Cable News Network. ह्याच्यातले काही तुमच्या ओळखीचे असतील, काहींचे आपण शोधून काढले. ओके, क्लियर? Question number 4. Write the fact file of Mary Kom in your notebook. So here we have been provided with some points. आपल्याला काही points दिले आहेत आणि त्याचा आन्सर म्हणून आपण मेरी कॉमच्या लाईफ बद्दल इथे माहिती लिहूया. फुल नेम Mary Magnete Kom, native of Manipur. She is from Manipur state. How is or how was her life and her interests? So we have seen that she is from very poor family. In her childhood, her parents were tenant at Zoom cultivation, so hard life, humble surroundings, and she was interested in athletics. And then her love developed for boxing. Special sport taken up, of course, boxing, inspired by Dinko Singh. Then her coach, Charles Atkinson. Early achievements, victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship, regional championship in West Bengal. So she has achieved these awards in the initial stage when she started playing boxing. International achievements, we have seen them. Silver medal in AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in US and Olympic bronze medal. Her passion is to make boxing popular among Indians so that more and more sportspersons choose it as a full-time career. बघा तिचं हे पॅशन आहे की जास्तीत जास्त लोकांनी बॉक्सिंग हे फुल टाइम करिअर म्हणून त्याच्याकडे पाहिलं पाहिजे. And her future plans are to coach Indian women in boxing. Then comes the next question, question number 5. Glance through the text and find the special qualities of Mary Kom. Complete the web by putting different qualities of Mary Kom in the boxes. बघा जेव्हा आपण इंटरव्ह्यू वाचला तेव्हाही आपण डिस्कस केलं होतं हे की त्यांच्यामध्ये खूप स्पेशल क्वालिटीज आहेत. सो आपण काही क्वालिटीज इथे आपण लिहून हे वेब आपण कंप्लीट करूया. क्वालिटीज ऑफ मेरी कॉम: व्हेरी हंबल, डाऊन टू अर्थ. इतकं यश मिळून पण आपण बघितलं शी इज व्हेरी डाऊन टू अर्थ. कुठलाही गर्व नाहीये किंवा घरी असताना फक्त आईचा रोल प्ले करायला किंवा एका गृहिणीचा रोल प्ले करायला त्यांना खूप आवडतं. तसंच भारतातल्या स्त्रियांना अगदी ग्राउंड लेवल पासून कोचिंग करायचा सुद्धा त्यांचा मानस आहे. शी इज व्हेरी डाऊन टू अर्थ, व्हेरी होपफुल. शी नेवर लुजेस हर होप, ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह, व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट. त्यांना एक प्रश्न विचारला गेला होता, वी हॅव सीन दॅट वेन युअर कोच वॉज नॉट विथ यू, हाऊ वॉज यू फीलिंग, वॉज यू डिप्रेस्ड? बट शी सेड नो, we have done enough practice and I was very confident about it. So she is very confident, hard worker. We have seen that. अगदी लहानपणापासून बघा किती हार्ड वर्कर त्या होत्या. लहानपणी शाळेत जाऊन खेळून प्लस आई वडिलांना त्या मदत करत होत्या. मोठ्या होत गेल्या तसं सुद्धा त्यांनी आपलं खेळाचं जे पॅशन आहे ते आणि फॅमिली लाईफ दोन्हीही अत्यंत उत्तम प्रकारे त्या सांभाळतायत आणि देशासाठी काहीतरी चांगलं काम करायचं आहे. देशासाठी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलची पदकं मिळवायची आणि त्यासाठी 3 मुलांची आई झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा आजही त्या तितकीच मेहनत घेत आहेत. शी इज व्हेरी हार्ड वर्किंग वुमन अँड पॅट्रियोटिक. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द क्वालिटीज, व्हेरी स्पेशल क्वालिटीज ऑफ मेरी कॉम. We will move to the next question. Supermom refers to an excellent mother. Give 3 reasons why super has been added to the word mom as in the title. We have seen that the title of this lesson is Supermom, Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom, right? So why super has been added to the word mom? Let's find out. Reason number 1, Mary Kom is a mother of twins. Then she had 2 sons. Besides being a great player, she plays the role of mother very efficiently. Secondly, when she is at home, she is a super mother. आपल्याला इथे super mom का आहे हे क्लिअर करायचं आहे. So we are talking about her family background or her home atmosphere. When she is at home, she is a super mother. She is a typical Indian mother who looks after her children and takes care of them, and she looks after her home at the same time. When she is at home, she cooks herself for her kids and takes good care of them. That's why super has been added to the word mom as in the title. Here comes the next question, question number 7. Answer in your own words. So here starts our question answer session. First question from this question number 7. Sub question is, what makes a writer call Mary Kom a legend? Why she is being called a legend by the writer? A legend is a person who fights against odds and wins. Mary Kom belongs to a poor, humble and tenant farmer's family. She was born and brought up in a remote village of the northeast state of Manipur. She faced many odds. She overcame many difficulties. She is the first Indian woman boxer to win the Olympic medal. So the writer calls her a legend. Okay? Clear why she is being called as a legend? So many reasons are there. Question B. What prime quality did Mary Kom display during her first attempt in Olympic Games? What was her bad luck? We have seen that her first attempt in Olympic Games, she proved herself very unlucky. Though she is hardworking, she has practiced enough, but she was unlucky in that first attempt. Why? Why it was a bad luck for her? Let's find out it. Mary Kom increased her weight scientifically. She ate right and healthy food for it. She did not take up shortcut for that. Mary worked hard and prepared herself very well. But in spite of doing all these things, the judge was partial with Mary. She was scoring, but he was not pressing the buttons. And because of it, what happened? We have seen that. Then here comes the next question. What does Mary Kom suggest for India to win more Olympic gold medals? We have seen that the interviewer had asked her, in spite of having a large population in our country, we are just getting very few medals. So what Indian people should do to get more gold medals in Olympic? What does she suggest? Mary suggests that sport should not be taken up as a sideline career. People should take up sports as a full-time career. The private companies should sponsor players so that the financial pressure won't affect their career. बघा बऱ्याच खेळाडूंना कसं असतं त्यांना स्पोर्ट्समध्ये खूप इंटरेस्ट असतो पण ॲट द सेम टाइम त्यांना कुठेतरी नोकरी करावी लागते आपलं चरितार्थ चालवण्यासाठी फॅमिलीसाठी आणि मग ज्यांना पाहिजे तितका वेळ ते प्रॅक्टिससाठी देऊ शकत नाही. मेरी कॉमला असं वाटतं की याच्यासाठी प्रायव्हेट कंपन्यांनी पुढे येऊन अशा प्लेयर्सना स्पॉन्सर केलं पाहिजे त्यांचा खर्च उचलला पाहिजे म्हणजे ते पूर्णपणे स्पोर्ट्स ॲज अ करिअर घेऊ शकतील and there will be more chances to India win Olympic gold medals. Next question. Fill in the flowchart after rearranging the facts below in their proper order as per the text. Mary Kom made her first appearance at international level. She is paired with mailboxers in Pune. Mary Kom won the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. She won a bronze medal in the 2012 Olympics. And Mary Kom decided to take up boxing. So here we will rearrange them as per the facts in proper order given in the text. Rearrange them as per the fact. Here comes the first. Mary Kom decided to take up boxing. We have seen that. Then next thing, Mary Kom won the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. This is her first achievement. Then comes the next. She is paired with male boxers in Pune. She practiced with male boxers in Pune for the international competition. Then comes the next. Mary Kom made her first appearance at international level. And then comes the great achievement of Mary Kom. She won a bronze medal in the 2012 Olympics. So in this way, we have done some of the workshop questions. You go through this video, you watch this video again and again and find out some more facts about Mary Kom's life. You read about her, you search on internet about her and see why we are so proud of her. Okay?
That's all for today. So you will revise